Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Show to Please Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to cook cassava in coconut gravy. It's so delicious, very simple and easy recipe. Instead of potato every time, you can have something different in your plate. No? So let's see how I'm doing it.
I'm sure everybody knows how to peel cassava and cut. So, and then you boil it with some salt. Boil it nicely, but not till it get like overcooked, but just boiled it, and then filter and set aside. And here I'm going to add some oil here in my pan, and we are going to add some mustard seed and fenugreek seed here. But again, if you don't have fenugreek seed, don't worry, just it's give another unique taste to this dish. But if you don't have, it's okay, no problem, just add some mustard seeds. And here I'm adding a little bit of fenugreek seed, but quarter tablespoon of fenugreek seed if you have. Okay, after that I'm going to add some green chili taste, adjust to your taste, and I'm adding some garlic and some onion, and then let it fry for about 4-5 minutes till everything releases its aromas and it's slightly brown. So here I'm adding some red dry chili. If you have, you can add some red dry chili as well and let it fry too. Or if you like more spicier, you can add some chili flakes or another extra green chilies. It's optional, and I add about a quarter teaspoons of cinnamon powder as well here. Frying it for a few minutes, and I'm adding my turmeric powder now. Mix it again, and then add your coconut milk. So after you add your coconut milk, just mix it, and then immediately add your boiled tapioca or cassava or manioc. We have few different names to this same cassava. So add it and let it boil nicely for about 10 minutes. Just let it cook together with that coconut gravy, and add salt. I'm not adding much salt here because I'm going to add also some garlic salt, because garlics give nice flavor to this dish. So I'm adding some garlic salt. When we are boiling cassava also we add some salt, so be careful when you're adding salt. Here I'm adding some onion flakes. It's bring this dish to another level. Trust me, it's so nice, the smell when you add some onion flakes here. And let it cook all together, everything, let it cook. If you have curry leaves, you may add. If you don't have, you can add always coriander leaves. If you don't have anything, it's okay, don't worry. Still, this dish is very tasty. So I have some curry leaves, dried curry leaves, so I'm adding some curry leaves here. This dish goes very well with any meat. Instead of potato, you can try this. When it's cooked, it's very thick, and it becomes very thick with that gravy, and it's very nice. Goes with meat, rice, or you can use it with naan bread, with anything. Very delicious dish. I love this dish. This is one of my favorite dishes from my country. So please give it a try. Let me know your feedback. So till I see you with my next video, stay safe and take care. This is very easy, unique recipe for your meat as a side dish. So okay, stay safe again. Bye bye.